push that back behind her ear. Now, in this situation, I have to pretend like her hair is pulled behind her ear in order to have her ears showing, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I would have this area right here, I'd have to build that up because that is actually coming from her scalp, so I could go back in with my skin tones and push a skin tone value back in as a, you know, do like I said, you know, you're doing it like a zigzag. The hair and the skin have to interlock, put it that way. All right, I use skin colors a lot of times in my hair as I'm playing with it. So I could bring this into that curl if I wanted to make it just a wave. I could bring it into this instead of making it a ringlet. I could start bringing that towards this one. I want to figure out, I want to show where that hair is going if I can. Although I could take that curl right there and bring it in front because it could be coming out of that and just suddenly, it could be rounding out that way. And when you're doing your hair, I want you to do, you know, wild hairs because otherwise it's not going to look natural. Nobody has that perfect of hair, so you want to do some loose hairs. With oil painting, it's going to be a liner brush. That's what you'll use. Oh, so that's dark.
So did you ever leave
The paper?
untouched?
Not
as part of it,
some
or
people
no?
do, but I'm no. I mean, that's so close to this color, but did I leave it? Maybe I did. So, yeah, I can say that I did there. Over here, that's pastel, so I can adjust, and it